Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Another video for you guys. And today's video, I'm going to pick up my daughter from school. It's Friday. I don't know when you're gonna get this video, but it's raining. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. There she is running in the rain with no care in the world. And yeah, it's a wet day, and we're here. And look at her. How sweet is my daughter? Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Nusha Styles. Yeah, so we arrived at the building and we went to the back door. There's like 3 exits, and it's so great to be in. Like I said, guys, don't forget to like so YouTube can recognize that the channel is being enjoyed by some of you. I know they don't send my videos to a lot of people at the moment. It takes a while to grow on YouTube, but it's important the people that watch the videos subscribe, like. Also, if they can, you also could share with your family and friends.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Guys, as you can see here, my daughter already on the phone. I mean, kids nowadays, eh? So guys, I'm gonna start off by just drying my plates. I mean, they're dried, but I like to sort of clean them, take any water stains from them, and store them basically. So that's what I'm gonna be doing here. I did the dishes yesterday and you guys saw the video. If you follow me, if it's your first time here, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm planning to make 2 videos a week. Sometimes I can make 3. It all depends as well of other things that I have to do with my daughter and the business I'm setting up as well. So yes, guys, so it's a chilled video. I hope you're enjoying so far. There's not much fra in my videos, but that's my life as a single mom of 1. I don't know why you say single mom. As a mom, let's just say our life as a mom, okay? Don't need to put the single there because the end of the day, there's no problem in being alone, yeah? And it's not that we're lonely. I'm alone because I chose to be alone. So my fiance passed away recently, and I'm not going to be, going from hand to hand, if you like. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing here today, and I'll be making some food as well, but I'm not going to be showing every detail of it. But stick around, smash like button, and press that notification button. Guys, I'm trying to keep my drawers organized. They tend to be very messy with the envelopes, letters, different items that doesn't belong there. But I've been taking my time in organizing them because they can get very very bad, very chaotic in there. Okay, them drawers. I know when I have guests, I don't want guests open my drawers, you know. I'm funny like that because I know they're probably going to be in shock. They've got hammers and you know, different type of tools in the wrong places in the kitchen. So, but yeah, I think everything is looking good so far, and fingers crossed this week I can do a couple of more. And yeah, so organizing my dishes and my plates and stuff. And I hope you're enjoying this video so far. I'll be giving my daughter a little treat, just an apple, but she's probably not gonna eat it because she used to love fruits and veg, and all of a sudden she is into crisps. I mean, I can't stand crisps at all. I don't like it. I don't even know why people be showing crisps, you know. But hey, we are in England, okay? So she's British, but let's see if she eats the apples. But I don't know. I'm just trying to keep her healthy.
Toma pra aí.
So guys, I'm gonna sort out my laundry. I normally tend to hang my stuff in a liner, but I've got one of those portable ones, and I normally do my washing twice a week because I like to change my towels, also my bed linens, once a week, every 7 days. It really depends, sometimes 4 days. I like when my bed linens are very fresh and I can still smell the Lenore or any other, what do you call it, softener that I use for my bed sheets and stuff. So yeah. And if guys, I'm talking a bit quiet today because I don't feel really well and I want to get this video out the way. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe because this is hard work. I mean, editing, recording, editing and everything else is a lot. You guys get the videos in a very sort of a, you know, it looks very easy, short videos, but it take hours and hours to, you know, put together a simple video like this. And I don't do a lot of editing, but at the same time it can be quite a lot of editing. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying so far. Comment below. Yeah, let me know if you're enjoying so far, and don't forget to watch my other videos. My channel is all about fashion, lifestyle and beauty, so it's not just a one you know, topic that I talk about, because I've got so many passions, and I worked in fashion for many years, and also enjoy cooking, cleaning my space with my daughter, and decorating and dressing up. I mean, like I said, I love fashion. And if you enjoy these type of videos, be a subscriber to the channel, and is on the road to hit 1,000 subscribers very soon. So I need few people to do that for us, and hopefully the channel will take off from there. I mean, who knows? I mean, everyone says that once it gets 1,000 subscribers, it's skyrocketed, but I don't know that belief that. I'm sure it's still going to require a lot of work for my part, and you know, I think the secret here really is not giving up. All right. for today's dinner, we're having chicken thighs, as you can see here, and in a barbecue style with the salad. And yeah, guys, you see a dish at the end. Very tasty. Everything turned out to be very nice. The salad was delicious with balsamic vinegar. I normally buy from Morrison's or M&S. Very nice, and some black pepper and olive oil, and a little bit of mixture of avocado oil as well, because I enjoy that and it's good for you. Yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That'll be the video for today. And it turned out so good, guys, so tasty. My daughter had seconds, and she hardly has seconds, but well, when it comes to my cooking, she normally does, but anyone else's that cooks, she doesn't ask for seconds. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for sticking by. Speak to you guys soon. Take care now.